Welcome back once again. Class 10 CBSE 2026 Board Exam answer case. It's an unofficial answer case set for Tamil, Section B, English Grammar. First question's answer is option A. In second question, the option A is the correct answer. And in third, option B is the correct answer. And in fourth, the option C is the correct answer. And in the fifth question, it's option D is the correct answer. In the fourth question, first question, option D is the correct answer. Second question, option B is the correct answer. And in third, it's option D. And the fourth one, option is B. And the fifth one is again option B. The fifth question, first question, option A is the correct answer. Second question, option C is the correct answer. And then third, option B is the correct answer. And in fourth, option A is the correct answer. And in the fifth, again it's option A is the correct answer. The sixth, first is option C is the correct answer. And it's option D is the correct answer. The second one, option B is the correct answer. And the third option again, option B is the correct answer. Then in the fourth question, option C is the correct answer. And in the fifth, option A is the correct answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll come back soon with another video. Thank you for watching.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.